The case has been registered at the Kulaba police station and a police team visited the actor's house. The police say Saif will be questioned about the incident.
ऐसी कोई रियायत कानून की तरफ से इस सेक्शन में मिली है उनको कि अगर वो चाहे तो अपने वकील के थ्रू सिर्फ आए और आ सकते हैं, बेल मिल जाए?
नहीं, वकील के साथ में आ सकते हैं।
उसको खुद भी आना पड़ेगा क्या?
We are trying to trace him.
But he is not traceable.
He is not traceable. इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है इसका, और अगर इन्वेस्टिगेशन में अगर ऐसा डिस्क्लोज होता है कि अरेस्ट करना है तो we'll do it. देखिए, the law is very clear. The offence is bailable. If somebody come as a surety for him, and if we feel that he is a sound surety,
So he can get bail.
it is a constitutional right.
Rashmi Rajput joins us now for more on this. Rashmi, how badly injured was this man, Iqbal Mir Sharma?
Vishnu, as far as his injury is concerned, he has sustained a fracture on his nasal bone. That's what the reports say. That's what his medical reports say. Now, yesterday night, after the incident, he got himself admitted at GT Hospital, which is a hospital in South Mumbai. And he, in the report, it is stated that he has sustained a nasal injury and that he is also performing a lot of X-rays at this point in time. And those reports will also be submitted to the police. But in the morning, when the police registered a case, the report that was submitted from GT Hospital, it said that there is injury on his nasal bone, that there is a fracture on his nasal bone.
All right, and in terms of the charges that he faces, what exactly, how much trouble is Saif Ali Khan in?
Vishnu, arrest is imminent for actor Saif Ali Khan. He will be arrested in this case. But what breather for him is that it's a bailable offence, which basically means that he has to come to the police station, court his arrest, and he will get bail after he performs the formalities of bail, which is basically he has to produce a surety. And once the police accepts that surety, he will be granted bail. But he has to come to the police station. He has to court his arrest. That is going to happen. So his arrest is imminent in the case. Now, the police, after the case was registered, the case is registered under section 325 of the IPC, which is basically causing grievous hurt. Now, after the case was registered, the police started recording statements of the waiters who attended Saif Ali Khan and the victim last night. Also, they are scanning through the CCTV footage, which is of the Taj Mahal Hotel. And also, what they are going to do is they are going to record the statements of the other people who accompanied Saif Ali Khan and the victim yesterday night when the incident took place. Now, in the statement, and the victim has claimed that he was assaulted by 3 people. There was Saif Ali Khan, which he managed to identify. The 2 other people which he couldn't identify. And when Saif Ali Khan will be coming here, the police will be recording his statement. Also, will try to get the details of the 2 other people who assaulted him. So it will be a case against 3 people, Saif Ali Khan and 2 others. Those 2 people will be identified once Saif Ali Khan's statement is recorded.